Today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your watch history and search history on Amazon Prime. If you don't want others to see your search and watch history on Amazon Prime, you can delete it within a couple of steps. So let's do the search history first. For that, you can just open up your Prime Video app. Now from the home screen, tap on the profile icon on the top right, and again head over to the settings option on the top right. On the settings page, you'll see tons of options that you can choose from. You just tap on clear video search history. Once you do, your video search history will be immediately cleared. So that's the first step. Way that you delete the watch history is you'll need to open up the website of Prime Video, because you don't have an option to do it within the application. Search for primevideo.com and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon on the top right and then open up accounts and settings. You may again need to log into your account. Once that is complete, you land on the accounts and settings page, and on the top you just swipe left and tap on watch history. It's gonna give you all of your watch history and you can remove them individually. Tap on delete on the bottom and those videos will be removed from your watch history. Now there is no option to do it all at once. You'll need to do it individually. So that was a real quick video on how to delete watch history and search history on Amazon Prime. Subscribe and give this video a like if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.